Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kshitij Joshi, medical oncologist working at Mumbai OncoCare Center. Today, this villain of coronavirus infection is troubling entire world, and India is no exception for that. Everybody is contained in this four wall of social distancing and everyone is at home. We are more worried about our cancer patients because of chances of getting this coronavirus infection in cancer patients are more, and chances of developing complication is also more. That is because cancer patient has immunocompromised status because of their cancer or the treatment related. So this is our attempt to give some tips to our cancer patients so that they will avoid this coronavirus infection. The first and most important thing is stay home, stay safe. The best way and the safest way to avoid this infection is not to go outside. Request your caregivers to do all outside work. Order your medicine online or ask your dealers to deliver drugs at your home. Also avoid normal regular consultation. Try to use online video or audio consultation platforms. We as a MOC also using this online platform for benefit and for convenience of our patients. Second important thing is use your hand wash regularly. The most important way of spread of this virus infection is through hand contacts. So it is very important to clean your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds or use disinfectant containing alcohol for washing your hands. And you have to repeat your hand washing every time you touch some unclean surface or some outside surface. Third important thing is use of mask. Use of clean mask of cloth or N95 mask which have an additional layer of protection is very important to avoid this infection. Whenever you have to step outside your home because of some unavoidable reasons or you are in some closed spaces, you should use this mask. It is very important because 60 to 70% of patients are asymptomatic carrier of coronavirus infection. What it means that there are 60 to 70% chance of that person spreading that infection in spite of that patient looks quite healthy. So use of mask and use of hand washing techniques frequently is very important to avoid the spread of this infection. One more thing we can do at home is to create a clean corner inside our home. So whenever somebody comes from outside, he or she can change the clothes and these clothes can be later washed or dipped into Dettol, and that person can take a bath and use different set of clothes whenever that patient is inside the home. This will create an additional layer of protection for patient and our family members. Most important thing is eat well and sleep well. Nutritious and protein containing food, fruits, vegetable and adequate amount of water can build your immunity. This strong immunity can produce more antibodies and these antibodies can prevent yourself from this coronavirus infection. So it is very important to eat well and sleep well. So these are some very basic but very important tips to prevent yourself for this deadly infection. Myself and our other MOC member will try to create some video clips and give you some advices and tips to prevent yourself during this epidemic phase. So we as a MOC will wish you healthy life and we wish you stay home, stay safe. So if you have any further queries, I will request you to connect with us on a phone number given on the website www.mocindia.co.in or you can send us a mail on drkshitijjoshi@mocindia.co.in. Thank you very much.